Picture this. You step off the plane, and instantly, you're welcomed by the scent of the sea and a warm tropical breeze. Just imagine it, turquoise waters lazily rolling up to pristine white sand beaches, with palm trees swaying gently in the background. This is Cayo Coco, Cuba, one of the Caribbean's best-kept secrets, and the island escape you didn't even know you needed. Cayo Coco is a hidden gem off Cuba's northern coast, nestled in the breathtaking Jardines del Rey archipelago. Picture this: stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. It's a paradise just waiting to be discovered. Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious all-inclusive getaway or craving an adventurous escape off the beaten path, Cayo Coco has a little bit of magic for everyone. Let's talk logistics. The moment you step off the plane, you'll feel it. That warm, tropical air filling your senses with the scent of salt and blooms. The humidity wraps around you like a cozy embrace, a stark contrast to the cool, air-conditioned cabin you just left behind. You're in Cuba now, and they're a little different. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. First, a quick tip on language. Brush up on your Spanish. Just a few phrases can go a long way. Hola, gracias, una cerveza por favor. You'll be surprised how far that gets you. Now, let's talk about visas. Yes, you'll need one. Check with your local Cuban embassy and try not to leave it to the last minute. Getting to Cayo Coco is easy. Most major Canadian cities offer direct flights. From the US, you might need to connect, but don't worry, it's worth the journey. And once you're here, take a breath and relax. You're on island time now. Oh, and here's something you can't forget. Every visitor needs a tourist card to enter Cuba. Think of it like a visa that allows you to stay in the country for a set time. You can pick one up from a Cuban embassy or consulate, or if you're going through a travel company, they'll likely include it in your package. Just be sure to keep it safe. You'll need it when it's time to head back home. After you land in Cayo Coco, you'll head through customs, where a Cuban officer will check your passport and tourist card. Then, you're officially in. Once outside, you'll notice rows of buses lined up, ready to take travelers to their hotels. Make sure you confirm with your driver which hotel they're headed to, as some of the hotel names are quite similar, like Memories Caribe Beach Resort and Memories Flamenco Beach Resort. Believe me, the last thing you want after a flight is a mix-up that could lead to a 45-minute detour. There are plenty of options for getting around the island. Renting a car? Super convenient, and some all-inclusive hotels even have rental offices right on the resort. Taxis are also everywhere, and don't be shy about negotiating the fare with your driver before you start the ride. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there's a local double-decker bus that's just $5 Canadian. It'll take you from hotel to hotel, plus you'll get a scenic ride all the way to Playa Pilar Beach over in Cayo Guillermo. And trust me, this beach is one of the most beautiful spots in the area, so don't miss it. Oh, and I'll have a separate video diving into all the fun things you can do at Playa Pilar, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's talk money. Cuba used to have 2 official currencies, but now the only official currency is the Cuban peso. However, there's also a digital currency, moneda libremente convertible, that locals mainly use.
Number 1, don't change your Canadian dollars into Cuban money. Cuban money is good for nothing. You cannot buy anything with Cuban money. We prefer now your Canadian
Credit
dollars
cards are becoming more widely accepted, especially at hotels and for booking tours around the island. Now remember, Cayo Coco is a tourist destination, so prices definitely reflect that. But don't worry, you can still find some great deals. Eat where the locals eat, and when it comes to drinks, go for rum. It's literally cheaper than water. Let's be honest, you're definitely going to want to post that beach selfie. But here's the deal. While internet access in Cuba is improving, it's still pretty limited and definitely not cheap. Most all-inclusive resorts offer Wi-Fi, either free or for a small fee, but don't get too excited. The connection can be spotty and often only works in certain areas. Now, If you're desperate for better connectivity, you can buy a Wi-Fi card from the government telecom company, eTexa. But here's the catch. You'll need your passport. Another option is to grab a local SIM card. It'll give you data and calling, but trust me, it can be a hassle to set up. So, here's my advice. Disconnect. Embrace the digital detox. A whole week without Instagram? It can actually be surprisingly refreshing.
We're gonna do a lot of activities today. So I'm going to show you, I have the pleasure of showing you my reality, Cuban reality, which is completely different to the reality of Cayo Coco or Cayo Guillermo. It's a natural habitat, and this is the second biggest place in Cuba. This size, they can bite you. So bad. Okay. So
The resorts in Cayo Coco are absolutely stunning, no doubt about it. But if you're craving a taste of real Cuba, then you have to consider booking a day trip with Gaviota Tours. They're partnered with most of the local hotels, making it super easy and safe to arrange excursions. Let me tell you, you don't want to miss their tour to the nearby town of Moran. It's an experience you won't forget. Picture yourself wandering through bustling markets and exploring charming town squares. And here's the best part. We even took a ride through the town on a traditional horse-drawn wagon. It's a simple yet unforgettable way to truly immerse yourself in the vibrant daily life of Cuba. As you plan your adventure, there are a few essentials to keep in mind. Cayo Coco and nearby Cayo Guillermo are perfect for families, offering a blend of luxury and lively all-inclusive resorts, all set against Cuba's breathtaking natural beauty. Make sure to pack sunscreen and insect repellent. It's the tropical climate after all. And don't forget your travel insurance with medical coverage. Cuba actually requires proof of insurance for entry, so it's a must-have. Now, while Cuba's healthcare system is known for its quality, only travel insurance can give you that extra layer of protection for any unexpected issues that might arise while you're overseas. Better safe than sorry, right? Are you ready for some sun, sand, and a taste of Cuban paradise? Whether you're dreaming of lounging on the beach with a refreshing cocktail or diving into the vibrant local culture, Cayo Coco has something unforgettable waiting just for you. So, start planning your trip, brush up on those Spanish basics, and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, smash the like button if you found this guide helpful, and drop a comment sharing your favorite travel stories or hidden gems in Cuba. Sigamos explorando juntos. Hasta luego.
Eso rompe el cuello.